Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a very specific piece of gear, something you might need if you're working on an amplifier, the Mr.Power Spring Reverb tank, specifically the 2EB2C1B model. Now, right off the bat, it's absolutely crucial to understand what this is and what it isn't. This is not an effect pedal you plug your guitar into and then into your amp. Not at all. This is a component designed to live inside your amplifier, part of its internal circuitry. It's a replacement part intended to swap out a faulty or missing reverb tank in a compatible amp. Compatibility is the absolute key here, and the details provided are essential for figuring that out. We're told this tank has an input impedance of 600 ohm and an output impedance of 2,250 ohm. These numbers are critical because the amplifier circuit is designed to drive the tank at a specific impedance and then recover the signal from it at another specific impedance. If these don't match what your amp needs, the reverb simply won't work correctly or at all, and in some cases could potentially cause issues. You need to check your amp service manual or the specifications of the original tank you're replacing to ensure these impedance values line up. Beyond impedance, the connectors are also specified: input insulated and output grounded. This refers to how the connections are made and whether they are isolated from the chassis ground. Again, this needs to match the amp's design to prevent ground loops or signal problems. The physical mounting plane is also important. This tank is designed for horizontal open side-down mounting. The springs inside need to hang correctly for the reverb effect to function properly, so installing it in the wrong orientation will mean no reverb sound. The brand is Mr.Power. Some other specifications are listed, like speaker maximum output power of 0.01 watts, connectivity technology wired, audio output mode stereo, and mounting type tabletop mount. Honestly, these seem like generic details pulled from a template that don't really apply to a reverb tank itself. A reverb tank doesn't produce speaker output power, it processes an audio signal. Most amp reverbs are mono, not stereo, and it's certainly not a tabletop mount device. It's installed inside the amp chassis. So, focus on the impedance, connectors, and mounting plane. Those are the parameters that matter for this specific component. Ultimately, this Mr.Power 2EB2C1B tank is for someone who needs to restore the classic, built-in spring reverb sound to their amplifier. That distinctive, drippy, splashy, organic decay that only a physical spring tank can provide. If your amp's reverb is dead or weak, and its original tank had the specific 600 ohm input, 2250 ohm output, insulated input, grounded output, and horizontal open side-down mounting specs, then this Mr.Power unit could be the perfect replacement to bring that sound back to life. Just remember, double-check those parameters before you buy. It's a specific solution for a specific need within the amplifier circuit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.